Hello friends, welcome to my video. Today we are at my grandmother's farmhouse and so here they are building a boat. My engine.
ये भी है ना कुछ वो ऊपर.
This is the engine. Modified engine. This is my grandmother. We caught fish.
ये पानी लेना रे भाई. सब लोग इधर नवाब है नवाब.
तुम्ही फोन नाही केला म्हणा.
अरे मला काय झालं.
मला बाईनी फोन केला बोलतो जाल टाक बाई. एकदा काय टेम्पो भरून पाठवलेला शे.
ए जॉन तुझं नावात नाही मला माहित काय. बाजोड. भाई ब्रीदिंग कर रहा है ब्रीदिंग. बहुत जबरदस्त है.
Planting trees on World Environment Day. Feeding to the dog lollipop.
रात नहीं खाएगा प्रॉमिस.
खाने दे बेटा उसको.
ये भी
जाओ उसको ऐसे को देखे जाओ उधर.
ऐसे
The dog went into the water. Oh.
OMG, what the flick?
The dog is swimming. He is so strong.
And now he is eating the fish. See. OMG, now he will go in there. See, he ate the fish.
Ball is.
Mr. Stone.
This is the same old puppy now which is grown to a dog that was shown in one of my older videos. I will put the link in the description below if you want to see how small it was and now it has grown up so big. Here is the photo. Okay, so good.
See, this is the goat. Eat me? No, you can't eat me. See, the horns are so.
The boat. The boat is ready.
इनका नाम लो. इनका नाम क्या.
So you would like to say anything as the inventor of this boat?
Nothing like that. I'm just still trying to refine it and go ahead.
Okay.
You want 10,000?
Oh yeah. देखो.
हाथ आगे रखना. मोटर कसं त्याला फिट केली तरी जमल
है ना?
Subscribe. Also hit that like button and bell icon. Comment down your opinion below and I will reply to them. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.